What's up, everyone? Welcome to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel. Today we have a news item. So the news is going to be that Google is adding the Gemini-powered Ask Ad Manager directly into Google Ads. So if you are already a Gemini user and you have the Chrome extension added to it, you might already have this up here, and it pretty much does what this is saying, but I'm assuming Ask Ad Manager will have more context within your actual account. I haven't seen this rolled out in any of my accounts. I checked a few of my bigger ones and I haven't seen it yet, but I'm assuming they're starting to roll it out, so you'll start to see Ask Ad Manager in there. And to me, it could be useful for asking some simple questions about, what are things that are working for me? What are some of my assets that are underperforming? Where can I improve in terms of, some of my different ads, assets, keywords, targeting? Do you see any setup issues with my conversion tracking? So really, you're trying to ask things like that. So the Gemini-powered Ask Ads Manager. So the biggest thing is just, we're kind of waiting for it. But some of the things that Google's announced is natural language queries, ask questions about your ad data in plain English, no manual report building. I think one of the things is going to be more report building, because they have a pretty good report building feature already where you can just type in and get a report built. I do think that's going to be one of the functionalities that Google Ads improves so much over the next 6 months, is just being able to take all of your data and easily turn it into a really nice looking report. You can already do it with AI. You can export all your data and use Claude or Gemini to get really nice reports, multi-turn conversations. So part of this, I think, is Google is probably trying to reach directly to advertisers without having third-party reps who are going to, so the thing I would say is take their recommendations with a grain of salt, because Google's recommendations have always served Google, and they're not necessarily built for every type of business. They're really built for the biggest, largest companies on the planet, and not for the small business spending $2,000 to $3,000 a month that is trying to just get the most they can out of that budget. So 3 starting uses is what they kind of mentioned: troubleshoot line items, generate custom reports, navigate ad manager settings. The ad manager settings is one that would be a little useful for me, because at times within campaign settings, ad settings, it's a pain when you have 10 campaigns running in an account and you change the ad schedules or something gets updated. So something where you can easily probably make changes within the interface much quicker. So if you're a Google Ads manager like me, but a lot of times these things have already kind of existed, and ultimately understanding Google Ads is the number one way to make sure that it's actually working correctly. So basically, are you using Google Ad Manager today? Probably not. And how is it going to help you pull better performance data? So to me, if you're managing a lot of accounts, it's going to help you go from account to account, see things a little quicker, get reporting quicker. But honestly, reporting you can automate easier than probably going to each individual account. What is coming later this year? So REST APIs and a model context protocol server, developer tools to support trafficking workflows, and let third-party agents connect to Ad Manager. This is one of those where I'm kind of Google's building publisher and agency agents for inventory discovery, negotiation, and campaign execution. Broader industry shift. So yeah, these are kind of just different from Google Ads, so we won't really worry about that. But ultimately, Ask Ad Manager, just wanted to mention it. It's something that you'll probably see in your account. It's Gemini powered. If you're already using Gemini, you'll see this here. My assumption is this is going to get renamed to Ask Ads Manager, but I haven't seen it in my accounts yet. If you've seen it, please leave a comment. Otherwise, we will wait for our Ask Ads Manager and ask it all sorts of questions once it comes out. So thanks for watching my video today, and make sure you subscribe to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel.